Into or in. Both into and in talk about inside. Into shows movement. In shows presence. Movement, going from point A to point B. Presence, staying in point A. The family is blank. The house is shows presence. In. The family is in the house. Here's the house. The family is inside. The family is staying in the house. It is not moving. Somebody just walked blank the house. Walked shows movement. Walked. Into. Into the house. Somebody just walked into the house. I am blank my room. Am shows presence. In my room. I am in my room. So here's my room. I am here. I'm staying in the room. She ran blank my room. Ran shows movement. She was in point A. Now she's in point B. Into. She ran into my room. The kids are playing blank the park. Play. No movement from point A to point B. Play shows that the kids are present in the park. Here are the kids. They're in the park. In the park. The kids are playing in the park. They live blank a big city. Here is the city. This is where they live. Live shows their presence in a big city. They live in a big city. A butterfly flew blank the classroom. Here is the butterfly. Here is the classroom. The verb flew shows movement. Into. A butterfly flew into the classroom. Pour some water blank the glass. Here is the glass. And here's some water. The water is in the bottle. The water moves from the bottle into the glass. There's movement. Into the glass. Pour some water into the glass. You walked blank my office. Walked. Is it walked into or walked in? Tell me in the comments.